We go to number 1. From number 1, what answer did you get? This part is division part.
2.
Sorry,
2.
what did you say? 2. Did you say 2? Okay, 2. All right. Let's see. Square root of 12 divided by 2 by root of 3. That is the sentence as square root of 12 over 3, which will give us square root of 4. So 2 is correct. Give me your answer to number 2.
I still got 2.
Okay, 2. That means if I divide 24 by 6, I get 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Correct. Number 3.
4.
4. If I divide 48 by 3, I get 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Number 4.
25. Sorry, 5.
5. Divide 75 by 3 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Correct. Number 5.
6.
6. Okay, 3 divide 108 will give us 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Number 6.
Number 6 is 5.
6 into 150 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Number 7.
7.
7. Let's see. If we divide 98 by 2, we get a 49. 49 square root is a 7. Correct. Number 8.
8.
8. 8. Divide 128. That is a by 2. That is 64. Yeah, correct. Square root of 64 is that. All right, that is for division of source. Once the numerator and denominator comes with that sword sign or the square root sign, what you need to do is just divide it and simplify. Let's come to addition. What did you get here?
I got 6 root 2.
6 root 2. Let's see. Square root of 8 is 4 times 2, which is 2 root 2. Plus square root of 32 is 16 times 2, which is 4 root 2. Okay, the addition is correct. Number 10.
Number 10, I got 5 root 5.
5 root 5. Okay, let's see. Square root of 20, it will give us 4 times 5, which is 2 root 5, plus square root of 49 is 9 times 5, which is 3 root 5. So the addition of the 2 will give us 5 root 5 is correct. Number 11.
8 root 2.
8 root 2. Okay. Sorry, let me write it this side. 8 root 2. Okay, so that means in number 11, 18 is the same thing as 9 times 2, which is 3 root 2, plus 50 is 25 times 2, which is 5 root 2, giving us 8 root 2. Your answer to number 11 is correct. Number 12.
9 root 3. Wait, are they all 1 mark so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Number 12, you said what?
9 root 3.
9 root 3. Sorry, the number 1 to 8 is 1 mark, but 9 to 15 is 2 marks.
Okay.
So number 12, square root of 27, 9 times 3, that will give us 3 root 3, plus 108 is 36 times 3, which is 6 root 3. So your answer is correct. Number 13.
5 root 10.
5 root what?
10.
5 root 10. Let's see. Number 13, the question has asked, square root of 40 is 4 times 10, which is 2 root 10. And then 90 is the same as 9 times 10, which is 3 root 10. The addition of the 2 will give us 5 root 10. Yeah, your number 13 is correct. Let's go to number 14.
8 root 7.
8 root 7, 8 root 7. Let's see. 63 is 9 times 7. That is 3 root 7 plus 175 is 25 times 7. And 25 will give us 5 root 7. So the two of them added together is correct. Your answer is right. Number 15.
10 root 7.
10 root 7. 10 root 7. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. 252. What number did you use to simplify 252?
36.
36. 252 divided by 36 will give us 7. Okay, that is correct. So that will give us 36. Square root of 36 is 6 root 7. And what number did you use for 112?
26.
Okay, that is 112 divided by 36. No, 36 cannot go into 112.
No, 26.
26, okay, 112 divided by 26. That is, no, it cannot work in square root of 112. You have to think about, let's think about 60. 112 by 64. No. So, okay, let's use 4. 112 divided by 4 will give me 28. So 28, that should be 16. It should be 16. 16.
16, sorry. Yes.
So down 112 divided by 16 is going to give us 7. So that is 4 root 7. 4 root 7. So addition of it is 10 root 2, 7. Okay, so that number 15 is also correct. All right, we go to rationalization where we rationalize the denominators. Okay? All right. So on this part of rationalization, number 16. So we are given 6 divided by root 3. So what did you get as your answer?
2 root 3.
What did you say?
2 root 3.
2 root 3 is correct because when you multiply 6 by root 3, you get 6 root 3 divided by 3. Number 17.
Number 17 is root 2 over 2.
Root 2 over 2. Okay? Root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. Okay, let's check it. So when you have 10, that is number 17, you have 10 over root 2, multiply by root 2 over root 2. So this is going to give us 10 root 2 all over 2. So 5 will come here to give us. So the right answer is not this. The right answer should be 5 root 2.
Oh, no, sir, I'm calling the wrong one.
Okay. Which one were you calling for me? We are in number 17. Are you there?
Wait, I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, sorry, that's the right one.
Okay, is your answer root 2 over 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is incorrect. The correct answer is 5 root 2. What I did, I rationalized using root 2 at the denominator to multiply both of them, the numerator and denominator. So numerator is 10 root 2 over 2. So if you cancel, you get 5 root 2 for number 17. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So what did you get for number 18?
3 root 5.
3 root 5. Let's see.
Yeah, this was 2 marks.
Yes. It's the same thing from number 9. So here is a 15 multiplied by root 5, is 15 root 5 over 5, 3 root 5. This is correct. So number 18 is correct. Number 19.
3 root 7.
3 root 7. Let's see. So if you multiply 21 root 7, 7 divided, this is correct. Number 20.
2 root 5 over 5.
3 root 5 over
No,
5.
2.
Okay, 2. 2 root 5 over 5. Okay, let's find out. So here, solving it is going to be, the equation is given 20 over root 5. Then rationalizing is root 5 over root 5. So that this will now give us 20 root 5 all over 5. 5 divided is 4. No, this is incorrect. The right answer is 4 root 5 because that 20 root 5 should be divided by 5. And that will give you 4. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So correct answer there is 4 root 5. Let's go to the next part, which is multiplication of surds.
This one will be 1 mark now.
No. Okay, number 21 to 25, you still make it to 2 marks. So only 1 to 8 is 1 mark.
Okay.
So this one is going to give you what?
6.
6 is correct because if you multiply 3 and 12, you get that 6. Square root of it is that. All right. What about number 22?
4.
4. Okay, similar to number 21 is correct. Number 23, what did you get?
10.
10 is correct. Wow, it appears this part is a very easy. Okay, what of number 21?
Number 24.
Yes, number 24.
Yeah. 14.
See, you are going to make 21 to 25 1 mark.
Okay.
So 21 to 25 and 1 to 8 are the same question strength. Is that okay?
Yeah, because I was wondering.
It's the same question strength. Yeah. So number 24, what did you get?
14.
14 is correct. And the last one?
12.
Okay, 12 is correct, yes. So that is it. Therefore, in this one, you got 5 over 5. That is for number 21 to number 25. Then going up, in rationalization, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 10 over 10. Okay? 10 over 10 in... Sorry, not 10. You failed 1. You failed 2. So you got 6, right?
No, it's only 1 I failed.
No, number 17 and the number 20. Number 17, you got root 2 over 2, but the right answer is 5 root 2. Then number 20, you got 2 root 5 over 5. Sorry, 2 root 3 over 5, but the right answer is 4 root 5. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So in the rationalization part, you got 6 out of 10. Then we go to addition part. Addition gave you 10 out of 10. Are you there?
Yeah.
Then in the simplification division part, you got 8 out of 8. Those ones are 1 mark. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
So your total score is going to be 8 plus 10, 18 plus 6.
24.
Sorry. Yeah, plus 6 is a 24, then plus 5. We give us a total of what?
31.
30. Is it?
31 over 20.
Over 4 over 35.
Yeah, 35.
Yeah. So making your total percentage score to become 86%.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
So this has summarized this topic. On this note, I think we have summarized within your level everything about surds. Okay? We can't extend it beyond this for you until you step into another academic level. All right. So we are going to stop here. Good night to you.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Bye.
na mbụ agwara m mmadụ si